Schnitzel is the national dish of Austria, which is why we came to the place that's the most famous for its Schnitzel, the Figlmüller restaurant. The portions here are huge and they have homemade wine, so let's go check it out. The Wiener Schnitzel here really is that amazing. It is pounded very thin, so it's very light and crisp. I almost ate the whole thing. The portions are huge. They hang over the side of the plate, and you can wash it down with some of their homemade wine. Wiener Schnitzel is traditionally eaten on Sundays, so if you want to try it out on a Sunday, you better get here early or make a reservation. But the good thing is, you can have Wiener Schnitzel every day.